Another topic in data linking with Excel is if you move the file or if you map it to an actual map drive and you want to fix that by putting the dynamic path to that file, then you have two ways to get there. You can either go to Properties and then click on the connection button here and go to Definition. You'll see the path here. And you also see it in the connection string, so you have the source path to fix in here as well. The other way you can get there is by just going to Queries and Connections and double click on the connection that you want to edit and going to Definition. So I've moved the file from my desktop. I put it on my D drive, so I just go to Browse and find the file's new location. There it is. And relinking to the data source. You can also just edit the connection file, but you'll have to also edit down here if you're going to do it manually by editing. So you notice as I change this automatically changed. So that's it. Click OK. Now to test it, you should do a refresh. Normally when you open the file, it automatically does a refresh. So you hit refresh all, and any sheets that have links would automatically refresh. And you'll get errors if you didn't link it properly. Under refresh all, there's a drop down. If you have many data sheets links, and some of them are a huge amount of data, the refresh time might be a problem. So you can just refresh the one sheet that you want to refresh. That one's pretty quick. It's only 5,000 rows of data in the raw data source. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.